how to add a back button to iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So today I'll show you how to get back the traditional back button on your iPhone. So let's dive right in. First things first, go to your settings and then go to accessibility. Now, scroll down and under physical and motor, you'll find touch, tap on it, and then go to assistive touch. So, once you're there, you'll need to toggle that on. So, you can see a button appear. So, what you can do is you can move this around wherever you like. And when you tap on it, a menu will pop up with various options. Now, if you want to just use it as a back button, then I'll tell you what to do. So there isn't a direct option for a back button, but you can set this button to take you to the home screen, which is often what you want when going back. So you can create a custom gesture that stimulates a back action. So you can see custom actions, you can see single tap, double tap, and long press. So you can customize any of the options here. I'll use single tap. And then here search for the home option, tap on it and tick on it. Now if you tap on the assistive touch, then you can see it directly takes you back to your home screen. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.